Welcome back to Top 10 Central, you guys. I'm one of your hosts for this one, Eamon Hassan.
And I'm your other host, Josh Bedard. Today we are doing something different for you guys. We are going to be trying some of the top trending pumpkin spice foods that are out right now. We went all out because they're not all from Canada. So we went online, got some of them over here for us to try them live with you guys.
I'm a bit scared, so I've never tried anything pumpkin spice flavored ever.
I love pumpkin spice.
And I don't like pumpkin,
Oh,
so
girl.
we'll see about that.
Oh my god, I'm a huge pumpkin spice fan.
Are you actually? I don't like the actual pumpkin. Is it different? Does it taste
Yeah,
different?
because it's like cinnamon. It's
Okay,
spice.
okay,
It's
okay,
different.
okay.
Give it a chance.
Okay,
Open
I like
mind.
cinnamon. I like cinnamon. I like it. And thank you everyone for joining us on the premiere. I think you're over here, or maybe you're over here. Let us know right now live if you try any of the things we're trying right now.
If you would try them or have you tried them, and stick around to the end because we are actually gonna have a few other people in the office.
Oh my gosh.
Try some of this.
Producer Chris, perhaps?
Maybe producer Chris. Maybe you'll see his hand or his foot.
The back of his head.
Maybe you'll hear his voice. But let's get into it. What should we try first? I say we go all out with the Pop Tart.
Okay.
Let's do it. Okay.
Oh my god, wait, fun story.
Oh,
The
tell me.
first time I ever had a Pop Tart was in high school when one of my Canadian friends went to Canada and brought one back. And I was like, what is a Pop Tart?
Bro, is it not lit?
And it was like the marshmallow one or something.
Ooh, the
and
s'more.
And I was like, oh, this is really good. And then I never got it again because I
Well, now you do.
Yeah.
I'm your saving grace. So we have the pumpkin pie Pop Tarts. We got them online.
Okay.
Oh, it actually looks like the inside of a pumpkin pie.
Can you see this?
Look at the pumpkin pie.
Ooh, it smells
so
really nice.
good. Oh, come on now.
Okay, it smells nice. I'm not gonna deny that.
That smells like a baked pumpkin pie fresh out of the oven.
Oh my god. I like the little like sprinkles.
Yeah, they're fun. Oh, come on now. Come on. Oh, you're not into it? Amen.
That just wasn't what I expected.
Oh, come on. You don't like that? I would eat the rest of this in a heartbeat.
Like, if someone offered it to me, I would take a bite politely, but
It's
I wouldn't.
warm.
I wouldn't
and
ask for more.
pumpkin.
I'll just swallow it now.
Oh, fair enough. He doesn't have to.
The aftertaste is quite nice. I will not lie to you.
The aftertaste.
Yeah.
Everything about this was a 10 out of 10 for me.
I'll give it a 5.
A 5.
On initial like tasting, it was not my vibe, but you know, the more I chewed it.
Mine's a 10 out of 10. Are you an oatmeal?
I love oatmeal.
I have oats every morning.
I love oats, and I love putting like a banana in there and everything like that.
So this is pumpkin spice. It looks like walnutty. Tell me that don't look. Oh, baby, smell that. I'm actually excited for this.
Yeah, I like
It's
oatmeal.
warm.
I like oatmeal.
Stir it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It's not very pumpkin-y. It's not as pumpkin-y.
It's a mild, so I like
I'm
it.
hungry, and I
yeah,
can
I
eat
actually
these.
like that.
I can
quite
eat
a bit.
oats.
This is so nice.
Oops.
You really can't taste the pumpkin.
You can a little bit, I find. Like there's like a little pumpkin kick.
I really like that.
We have more, so we'll probably eat this for breakfast after this video. I like it.
Yeah.
That's a 10 out of 10 on my books.
Okay, I wouldn't go that far.
I love-
9.
Okay, 9. If it was some bananas though, 10.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have to put your bananas in that oatmeal though.
I wish I had a banana.
This is making me so nice and warm inside. Is this what fall is?
This is fall. This is the most fall video we'll ever do in our entire lives, probably.
Guys, so there's apparently pumpkin spice Cheerios.
I think these are actually in Canada, I believe. So.
I like regular.
Boom.
I like regular Cheerios a lot.
Oh, me too.
So like
This is gonna be lit.
I have high hopes.
Made with real pumpkin and a hint of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves.
Oh, but they always say that. They always say like, oh, it's real this, and it's
Yeah.
actually like 30% horse. Legit.
Yeah.
Oh, get right in there. Is this some ASMR for you guys? Do you hear that?
Silence. That's so creepy.
Whatever do you mean?
Okay, let's smell it first.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
Okay.
That's a Bath and Body Works candle.
Yeah.
I don't think there's enough flavor. You're
tastes
dripping. It kind of tastes like the apple cinnamon ones they have already, you know?
Oh yeah, I need not.
I don't. This is some serious ASMR. Like,
I don't
it's
know.
good. but I don't get this wild like kick of pumpkin, if that makes sense.
But this is so heavy. I wouldn't have this for breakfast. It doesn't even feel like a sweet meal. I was like, is this savory? Like what?
Yeah.
This is not my vibe, personally.
See, that one's a lower rank for me, and that's
Yeah.
first.
Oh, so you're not gonna give it a 10?
No.
You're gonna give it a 9?
No, I'm gonna even go lower, like a 5.
Oh wow, I think I'm gonna give it like a 3.
I needed more pumpkin. I need more pizzazz.
Yeah, same. And there was a bit of spice that hit different, and like it kind of tastes like chicken for like a split second.
Chicken?
I'm so excited because everyone hypes up pumpkin spice latte so much. So I was like, this best be full Jesus in there.
And obviously we're Canadian, so we got the Tim Hortons. not
Tim
the
Hortons.
Starbucks.
Merci.
I actually used to work at Tim Hortons, but I don't think we had pumpkin spice lattes when I worked there, so I've never tried the Tim's one. Mine's made with soy,
And mine's
so I
made
won't
with
die.
regular.
Okay, there might be hot, you big baby. But
Okay, oh my god, this is, okay. That was horrific. That was actually dude, this tastes like rum.
I'm gonna
This
say-
literally tastes like when you go to the Christmas market and you have those like hot
I
chocolates,
feel-
but it's like
yes.
with rum.
I do, it tastes like alcohol.
What the hell is this?
Hold on, I need another go. I'm sweating. I'm not a fan.
That's just actually nasty.
Bro, mine probably tastes worse because of soy milk.
Oh yeah, oh
Try
my
it.
god.
Tell me if it's worse.
Okay, it probably is. Oh. I was like, oh, it's good, and then it's like, ooh.
Oh, yours is way better.
Yeah.
Yours is sweeter. Mine tastes like straight up watered down, like puddle water with a splash of rum. No offense to, they're never gonna sponsor us, Tim's. I worked for you for 7 years. I love you, but this ain't it.
I order you every day.
And I will continue.
Yeah, just not this one. I feel like I've tried the fat, and
We've tried.
I'm over it. I don't like it.
Last but not least, we got some cookies.
What?
Oreos.
Okay. Oh, I like these. I like these.
And they're gluten-free, so.
Oh my god, goody girl. Are they from like the Scouts?
No, maybe. They're actually from Winners. But we got some pumpkin pie cookies. Naturally. Okay, you're not natural. Naturally flavored pumpkin pie sandwich.
I thought it
cookies.
said naturally artificial. I'm like, I'm sorry.
It says nothing
Oh, yeah.
artificial, ridiculously delicious.
My ass.
Oh, these smell good though.
Yeah, but we've been deceived in the past.
Very much so. That latte smelled good.
Yeah,
and
literally. I
literally-
have big trust issues.
It was
right now.
it was a rain puddle. 3. Hold on.
Okay.
Where's the pumpkin?
I like it.
Where's the pumpkin? Oh, there it is. On the floor.
This tastes like something else.
This just tastes like regular vanilla cookies.
Yeah, I was like, I'm not getting any pumpkin
No.
from this whatsoever.
Deceiving naturally flavored pumpkin in my butt.
Yeah.
You didn't put any pumpkin. I'm gonna eat it. It's good. Okay, cookie wise, 10 out of 10. It's a great cookie.
Cookie-wise?
Pumpkin, like a 4. There's no pumpkin in there.
I'm gonna give the cookie an 8. I'm gonna give the pumpkin a 0 because where even was it?
But that's it. What was your favorite? Eamon?
I don't think any of them ranked highly enough to be
What?
my favorite, but I really did like the porridge.
The oatmeal,
The
yeah.
oatmeal.
Cheerios were good, but they weren't pumpkin.
Yeah.
Enough pumpkin.
Yeah, I liked it even with the side of chicken. And I liked the cookies.
These were good.
Yeah. So, it wasn't an epic fail.
No.
Pumpkin spice can take over the world. Will it?
Probably not.
Yeah.
But you guys be the judge. Let us know in the premiere chat.
Yeah,
We
where
don't
you
know.
at?
We keep forgetting where it is on the screen. But let us know if you've tried them. Would you try them? Do you have them where you live? Or what
Yeah.
other items of pumpkin do you have? I did see a Kit Kat pumpkin somewhere out in the world.
Ooh.
And that, like chocolate and pumpkin, I would probably love that.
I feel like I'm so full. I had like a second breakfast. That was great.
It was great. What a day is
What a day is a work.
What a way to start our day. All right, guys. Well, we are gonna have some other people in the office try a few items. That way we can get other people's opinions
Yeah.
besides ours, because
Yeah.
we're probably pretty judgmental.
Yeah, we are. You've seen us. You know us.
So stick around for the behind the scenes and some bloopers. I was one of your hosts, Josh Bedard.
And I'm your other host, Eamon Hassan. And we will catch you in the next one.
Bye. And I'm your other, don't make me laugh.
I didn't even say anything. That was my name.
I could feel you were like, okay. It's just gonna be like a fun, different video. Okay, shall we?
Is it, wait, how warm is it? My tolerance for heat is very low.
You're fine. Big fat baby. You don't need taste test like the baby where they touch their lip. No, you're good. You're fine.
I feel like I should have worn like orange or something.
I almost thought about it.
You know what
I'm
I
like,
mean?
I don't want to look like
we're
a
both
pumpkin.
wearing black, and now we're not.
Red.
We're not. Oh, you Sorry. You know what? Some things. Have you never had that? No, have you never had that when like some random thing kind of tastes like chicken for a second, and you're like, oh. Yes! That's never happened
Girl,
to you.
you stoned or something. If you eat Cheerios and they taste like chicken.
No, you guys can relate. We could sell these on like Amazon in a few years.
The chewed ones?
Yeah, with our saliva on it.
Eamon's chewed cookies would probably go for quite a lot. Mine, probably not.
No, of course they would. I would buy your chewed cookie.
Would you?
Yeah.
You can have it for free, baby.
Nothing artificial, ridiculously delicious.
My ass.
It's a limited edition, okay? So
Okay.
appreciate
Okay. We could sell these on like Amazon in a few years.
the chewed ones.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so Chris just tried one of the cookies.
And he's a psychopath because he literally just put the whole thing
He
in
did.
his mouth.
That's how he tried it, but.
And you don't even bite it, you just put the whole thing in your mouth?
What's your verdict, Chris?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
What?
Out of 10.
7.
What?
Okay, that's high.
That's way
That's
high.
really high. I don't know about that.
It wasn't even a pumpkin cookie. They lied.
Yeah, and I literally thought you were not gonna like it because he was walking around. He was like,
I don't taste the pumpkin.
yeah, literally. Oh, I give it a 7.
7. Pretty good. Pretty good. You're a liar just like these cookies.
Literally. Sarah liked them. I despise them.
I loved them.
And Joss liked them as well. Are you a pumpkin fan?
Like I don't not like it.
Okay, but it's not your preference. It's not your first choice.
No.
Come on now.
It is a season, so you gotta.
Oh, God!
You gotta give it a go,
You
Eamon.
gotta
Okay, fine.
You gotta get the middle though.
You gotta open that up.
Yes,
and just
see?
get it's supposed to like split.
I don't think that works.
In the commercials, they lie.
Okay, let's try this.
Such a dad.
Dad jokes. Be honest.
Very pumpkin-y, yeah.
What's your...
That doesn't mean it was good.
Yeah.
It tastes like I'm eating pumpkin pie.
See?
No, but like, what would you give it out of 10?
I want to hear compared to every...
hesitation.
I won't say what mine was.
7.5.
Oh!
This!
Come on.
This is a joke. Okay, wait, can you try one
You have to
more
try
thing?
the puddle water,
Put
please.
it in a new cup.
Liam, you have to.
And I
It
swear to God,
tastes
it
so
like
bad.
It's spiked with rum. I was like, did Liam spike it?
Fresh
Because
cups.
This is not okay.
Okay, one of these was soy and one of these was with
That one's regular.
This one's regular and it's ass.
Tell us it does not taste like alcohol.
It does taste like a.
See?
You know what I mean? It's spiked with rum.
We could have swore that you spiked them when you gave them to
Yeah.
us. It tastes like
They were
rum.
like, I guess we're tipsy.
Oh, he's drinking more. Ew.
I gotta taste it again. I'm like, yeah, there's something in that.
It's
You know what I
weird.
mean?
There's
They
something
probably want to get
wonky.
rid of anyone trying to drink pumpkin spice. They're like, yeah, let's just spike them. Let's just eliminate them.
Okay, so we all hate
It was
it.
hard to get.
Yeah.
I had to go to a Tim Hortons down by Bathurst almost.
Oh my god.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, okay, so we all hate the lattes. Great.
Yes, we do.